Ranking your rank and rent websites is easy, at least if you follow my instructions. It is the monetization part that is difficult, and I think I just might have a solution for many of you. So first off, I haven't really reported on my ranking numbers in a while. I have 4 rank and rent websites. The first one is called Concrete 11 in Buffalo. As you can see, this site is doing extremely well. Let me go to the actual SERPs and type in Concrete 11 Buffalo. As you can see, I'm number 2 after one of the major players, which is A1 Concrete Leveling, and I haven't built any backlinks for those of you wondering. Now, next up is Concrete Leveling Colorado Springs. Again, daily clicks and impressions. And here, oh wow, I'm actually number 1. And I'm outranking all these guys who have spent years and years doing their business. They have the local map pack and everything, but I am number 1 and I'm getting leads and calls every single day. So this is the power of SEO. Next, let's mix it up with a directory of mine, which is actually doing pretty well. And I'm ranking for all sorts of keywords like free hoarding cleanup resources, can a house be condemned, Ohio therapists, hoarding cleanup costs Ohio, etc., etc. Let's take a look. So the seed would be Ohio hoarding cleanup, and I'm actually number 1, and I'm outranking one of the oldest websites, which is Ohio hoarding. So this website has been there since the beginning of time, so to speak, and I'm outranking it just because of the structure of the website. And I actually teach you how to create directories like this in my Skool community. And the most amazing part is that this Ohio hoarding directory has an actual admin panel that I can access. And as you can see, I'm getting leads, I'm getting clicks on all of these businesses here, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. So for the past 90 days, I've had 354 total events, 25 phone clicks, 273 website clicks, and 5 email clicks. And you can see exactly which pages people are going to and which businesses they look up. So you can literally contact any of these businesses and tell them that, guys, I have been sending 37 clicks your way in the past 90 days. Last but not least, hoarding cleanup summary. Let's take a look. And as you can see, I am ranked number 1. This is my website. And all these websites except for the Ohio directory was created by a tool called Locus Pilot. Link in the description for those of you interested. Now, back to the topic of today's video. Ranking your website is only half the job. The truth of the matter is you only get paid when you sell something, and classic rank and rent has one exit: rent the sites, sell the leads, or flip the whole asset. Now, this is a single point of failure. The renter churns or the lead buyer goes, income goes to 0 overnight. This is a local only income, 1 metro, 1 client, 1 rate. And that traffic is wasted. Out-of-area visitors, researchers, and DIYers can be sold as a lead. This is pure leakage. Now, what I suggest you do is build the asset once and monetize it twice. You can monetize it via the rank and rent, which is your regular rent the map pack page to one local contractor or sell calls per lead. Or you could use the same content and pitch it to a nationwide affiliate network. Why this wins? The affiliate layer turns your bounce rate into revenue, removes the single client risk, and lets one national ranking page earn in all 50 states. Now, I have chosen 5 trade niches that pay twice, which are legal, insurance, home services, solar, and real estate. Now, starting with the legal services, this is in the hundreds of thousands, over 500,000 searches. Extremely high CPC, very high cost per call. The pros are highest payout of any niche. Same traffic sells to tenant and pay per call. The watchouts are that this is technically a YMYL niche, needs real EAT, not thin pages. The competition is quite fierce, and the compliance disclosures are mandatory. Now, there are quite a few affiliate networks to choose from. You have your eLocal, LeadSmart, Mr. Lead, LegalZoom, and Lodipo. And some of the questions that you can try and rank citywide or statewide are personal injury lawyer, car accident lawyer, car accident attorney, DUI lawyer, workers' comp lawyer, and mesothelioma attorney. Next up is insurance. Again, the volume is even higher. Deep program roster, so you can choose between programs like Liberty, Lemonade, and Ethos. Pay-per-call is in the hundreds. And these are some of the seed keywords you can try to target citywide. Now, home services, those are a mixture of HVAC, roofing, water damage, water replacement, extremely high volume, extremely high CPC. You can still use eLocal, Service Direct, and Ring Partner. Those are the affiliate networks that pay well, up to $40 per call. Next up is solar installation, one of my personal favorites. The pay-per-call and affiliates are Sunrun, Go Green Solar, Profitize, and Flareize. The pros are that the cost per install is extremely high, massive storage volume. However, this niche is getting saturated, but some of the example seed keywords that you might try targeting city level are solar panels, portable power stations, solar panels for home, solar installation, solar panel cost, and best solar generator. Now, finally, real estate. Again, these can be both a rank and rent and an affiliate play. Some of the pay-per-call and affiliate networks are LendingTree, HomeAdvisor, eLocal, and Opendoor. And you can try quite a few seed keywords to see which return the best results city by city, state by state. Now, this is a neat table with everything from legal to real estate. You can see the search volumes, the CPC, the average rent per month. So your highest bet will be legal. And then between insurance, home services, and solar, it's pretty even. And these are some of the most frequently used networks: eLocal, Ring Partner, Market Call, and Profitize. Once again, the idea is to have one asset, which is your website, and collect 2 paychecks. Go check out my Skool community where I teach you how to build rank and rents and directories. And some of the recent results are from a student of ours who was able to generate 3 new leads for a high-ticket service. And he also managed to close a business for a rank and rent website. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.